This is the Blueberry Beat. My name's AJ, and this is my Aunt Treat. Why do you think blueberry bagels don't fly?
Blueberry bagels, why don't they fly? Because they don't have wings.
Because they'd be considered plain bagels.
Oh. Took me a minute, but I got it. Plain, like airplane bagels. Oh, that's
So what do you got for us today, Treat?
Okay, well, I just put together a Greek salad. And I found some very cool, instead of couscous, this is, it is a couscous.
I was just going to say, that does look like a couscous, but it's a little one, huh?
It's a buckwheat. And so they make them small. I couldn't find the large, but the large couscous, which is just a pasta that's round, very tiny, like a pearl. And I like the large ones because it looks dramatic in a salad. But so anyway, it's very easy to make. You boil water to the measurements according to the package, and then you put the added amount of couscous in the water, put the lid on it, shut the burner off, and just wait 5 minutes and it's ready. It's really, really good. So then I added our vinaigrette.
Oh, nice.
The True Blue
Did
vinaigrette.
you add that into this dressing? Or
I
added
did both.
It to...
I did the couscous and dressed it just a little bit, so it's still dry, you know, more or less, but it has a good texture. And then I made a creamy vinaigrette dressing using that, just a little bit in there, or you can just use your plain vinaigrette.
Well, I was also thinking too, you know, a lot of people out there don't really realize, like, if you want a certain taste throughout the dish, go ahead and just add a little bit to the dressing. Add a little bit to the noodles. Yep, absolutely. If something's calling for like a liquid base, maybe see if you can substitute some of the different liquids you're using in your recipe and substitute it.
Oh, and the flavor, unbelievable.
It looks great.
So I enjoy salad, and I always, but some things in the salad I don't really care for, so I don't really, and the other thing too is that sometimes I'll make a sandwich out of this. So I like to put everything separate, and that's just my thing. So there's onions, lettuce, Kalamata aloes, feta.
Nice.
And then of course our couscous. And then that just gets, you put however much you like on it. And then you get your choice of dressing. Oh, and I have cucumbers. I took the seeds out and because it gets watery. And it's not bad. You can leave the seeds in.
What a lovely little color palette though, too, you know?
And then a little slice of bread. So I'm going to use the creamy. And that's just a little mayo mixed with some of the vinaigrette.
Okay, great, cool. Nice binding agent there.
Yeah. So, ooh, I didn't bring the fork, Annie. Gonna have to use your fingers.
I'm gonna use these tongs actually. Can I use some of these? Can I use these? Yeah, absolutely.
We'll laugh at you, but yes.
This is really what salad fork is.
Ah.
Just kidding, not true. But I want to try to get a little bit of everything. So I got the cheese, and I actually hate onions, so I'm gonna avoid that.
Okay, see there?
Not a fan.
Yeah,
but that's all right.
Yep,
Yeah, all to each their own.
That's it. Makes the world go round.
This is so
it's
good.
very, very easy. So you can use, this is a Greek style, but you can use it with traditional, you know, items and things like that, but it's just really versatile. And
I seriously say too, I'd put this on the bread.
Oh, definitely. A little dip.
Yep. Nice. Well,
I'm glad you enjoyed it, Annie.
I really enjoyed it. I'm actually going to eat more of it.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Well, this is AJ, that's Treat, and this was the Blueberry Beat. Thanks for watching.
Bye.